2 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan.
Okay. Or maybe we haven't put the sugar in.
Right. I put the flour in.
Yeah.
I put the sugar in.
Okay.
Sorry, my bad.
That's all right.
It's happened before, don't worry.
Yeah. Let's put some sugar in. I've got cake mixture all over my mask as well, Rob.
Yeah.
That tastes like cake mixture now, doesn't it? You. Sponge is a lot lighter, isn't it?
Yeah.
You could do with more rhubarb in, couldn't it?
Oh, why?
But
You like
might
it?
stop it
No, no,
drying
something
out
missing.
on a second.
Right.
Something missing, you
So
reckon?
that's good to know.
I don't know where
because
there's something
I
missing.
Sprinkle it over.
That'll do.
It's all going to get mixed in. Saying I'm really pleased with Matthew's bread because it's consistently good now. It's not just occasionally good. It's good every single time you make it.
I don't know, that's quite nice. I don't know what's needed.
Stuff in the fridge as well.
Does it need a
We'll
bit
finish those
more
off tomorrow,
seasoning?
Jodie.
Yeah, that's much better.
You like that? How are you finding the recipe so far?
Quite easy.
It's all right.
It does taste alright. It's a bit more chilly in it than the first time. Not too chilly. I can taste the coconut, I can taste the ginger. Maybe it does need a bit of salt.
that bit up.
So we need to put the pears in the dishes.